Hey, I want to suggest you to learn English vocabulary together today, bro, because I've decided to take a walk around the Moscow, around some beautiful places, and at the same time learn English, specifically vocabulary, because I genuinely believe that one of the most effective way to actually memorize vocabulary, it is visual memorization. When we see something in the video like this vlog, hey, hello, this is a kid. Like, for example, this is a swan, white swan. And now we have this connection between picture swan actually and word swan. We will remember for a long period what is swan, because we saw this just right now. It's our visual memorization. And actually saying, pronouncing words to put it from passive vocabulary so active vocabulary, like active learning and using in real life. So let's take a walk and let's get started. This is a pond and people just sitting here and watching the pond. What we can do in the pond actually, we can swim, yeah, we can dive into ponds, we can fish something out of the ponds, like take something out of the ponds. Actually here, peaceful atmosphere. Kids playing with the doves, with the birds, and peaceful. In that side, we see restaurant. This pond is completely surrounded by trees, green trees, because it is a park. Let's take a walk around this park. Here is a good playground for kids. Kids just hanging out here. It's called playground. All this area, it is playground. Parents can sit in the benches and wait for children when they stop playing. This is a stroller. I hope so. It is stroller. I hope I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure actually. I want to check this right now. Yeah. It is a kid's stroller. This is a signs that it's in Russian, you probably understand. We can't feed swans, and this is under protection, under security, this zone. You see a little bit windy right now, and the dust. The ground, it's more like just dust. It's not pavement. I would say dust. There was a street musicians, guys playing something. They probably want to earn money by this. I don't know. And there is a camera. Actually, maybe this is a film in some movie in the future. We will see this movie. I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. They are actually filming something. They are actually filming a movie or doing interview. I don't know. What are they doing in here? Look, they're filming a movie or something like, I don't know, professional camera and kiosk, like ice cream stand, and like you can buy drinks here. Ice cream and drinks. Wow. Yep, right here. This movie, I guess this is a movie. One stand, two stands, three stands with ice cream. Wait. This is you see blue and gray a little bit. This is balloons. Balloons, bro. Balloons. Bike. Yeah, this neighborhood in Moscow, it is crazy because everyone doing something, and a wealthy life, really rich wealthy life. You can just see how people dressed here. How people dressed here. What cars here. What are they doing here? This is a premium life in Moscow. Let's walk in the street. It's overcrowded. It is narrow, really narrow street. Right here, restaurants, premium foods. Like everyone is filming. What is going on? Like filming, bro. This is a snake restaurant. Wow. Pedestrians, that's crazy. Angola. Chilling on a bench. And here, if you will, I guess everyone is millionaires here. Stars, I don't know, actors, influencers, in general, rich people. This Russian cab. This service is called taxi, but I can call this exactly car, like cab. Cab. It's cab. This is a junction. This part of the street when like cross. It is a junction actually. Let's cross the street in a junction. All right. Here's, by the way, the special track for bikes. Like this for delivery. Special for pedestrians, for bikes, for cars. I hear church somewhere right there. Vintage car. Look at this vintage car. I love it. I love this vintage car, and it's super new, expensive sport car. It's so sunny that way, but it was predict about the weather today that it's going to be so downpour, like really big rain, but now there's no any rain, so I guess it was mistake about weather prediction, like forecast, about weather forecast. Now I want to move to some alley or avenue, stuff like this.
Мама просто иди спать, там за дверью пацаны. Мы не тупо погулять, одинаковые сны.
Go right here. You can find separate benches, like this is a partition. It's partition, like it's partition between benches, partition, and you can sit here alone in the quiet. What is this? What is this? It is a zone for play in some kind of tennis, but it's not actually tennis. Moscow Summer Club. Here is a ground renovation or flowers renovation in general. These guys, they want to plant a new flowers into the ground. Also playground with the table tennis, ping pong renovation. Plant, put inside the soil new flowers. Oh my God, it is like vintage TVs zone with the carpets like Soviet style and TVs. We can play games, actually here. Wow. We've got a gamepad. and playing games. Bikers. What is this? It's also playground, but with the sand. Their mission is just to throw this metal beads. It's called bead. Metal bead. Throw in the sand. Throw in beads. Right here, it is going to be right now Moscow official tournaments, rock, scissors, paper tournaments in Moscow. Championship right here for free. Should I participate? Should I? That I don't have actually time to participate. We need to register right there and participate. This is a sunbed, by the way. Sunbed to lie and get sunbathe. Sun waves to you. Sunbed, sunbed. And obviously umbrella. We can stick umbrella into the ground. We can stick umbrella in the ground and get protection from the sun waves. See guys, they're sleeping. Umbrella. By the way, did you know that trend of this year, it is a brown color of clothes, like brown color. And I'm not gonna lie, I see a lot of people wearing brown shirts, blues, in general clothes, dress, yeah. Brown, bro. Brown is in fed. Look at this. They're playing here, first of register, and there's a tournament in a race, online racing. Wow. Online racing. Have you seen the movie Gran Turismo? I love this movie, and this is the same simulator. Girl is playing golf zone, and there also big playgrounds. This called, I'm not sure, but it's called rock climbing or mountaineering, stuff like this. Mountaineering, I will say. We're trying to climb into some wall, like rock climbing imitation, I would say. And kids are swimming in a swim. Pictures of animals. Let's call this, okay, tiger, parrot, giraffe, elephant, lions. No idea. Again, elephant, lion, strauss, and tiger, and Grand Canyon, I guess. What is it? Is this Grand Canyon? Or Mars Planet? Mr. Penguins also is here. Our Arctic guys, Mr. Penguins. You look great, bro. Oh, this is a seal. Probably seal. And gorilla. Gorilla. African gold. I want to visit Africa safari at least once in my life, 100%, because I love animals, nature, giraffes, and penguins. We went in a white highway. Bro, we took a walk around the city. some interesting places. I hope you learn something new words, or at least discover and explore these worlds to notice something interesting. Because actually I did learn new words for me, what I've never used in my vocabulary before. Yeah, nice practice, nice city. Very demure, very mindful. Okay, see you next walk, probably in Moscow. Okay, be good. See you next time.